Hi, good morning, friends. Today's topic is personality development through film song. I have chosen one film song to tell about personality development. Personality development is nothing but instilling confidence. This song, whenever I listen, I get when I come out of depression, I get some confidence, and I think I can face the situation. So this song I have selected. So now I'll go to song, and then again, people who don't know Kannada, this is a Kannada song. This is from film My Autograph, Aruluva Hoovugale. This is acted by Sudeep sir, and directed and produced by also Sudeep sir. Music by K. Kalyan, and this is sung by Chitrama. And lyrics I don't know properly, but it might be Bharadwaj sir. So it is a very nice lyrics. Please give attention to lyrics, so you will understand the beauty of this song. People who doesn't know this lyrics, I will explain it in English in last. ಅರಳುವ ಹೂವುಗಳೇ ಆಲಿಸಿರಿ, ಬಾಳೊಂದು ಹೋರಾಟ ಮರೆಯದಿರಿ. ಅರಳುವ ಹೂವುಗಳೇ ಆಲಿಸಿರಿ, ಬಾಳೊಂದು ಹೋರಾಟ ಮರೆಯದಿರಿ. ಬೆಳಗಿನ ಕಿರಣಗಳೇ ಬಣ್ಣಿಸಿರಿ, ഇരുളിಂದೆ ಬೆಳಕುಂಟು ತೋರಿಸಿರಿ. ನಾಳೆಯ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇರಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಳಲಿ, ಗೆಲ್ಲುವ ಭರವಸೆಯೊಂದೇ ಬೆಳಕಾಗಲಿ. ಮನವೇ ಓ ಮನವೇ ನೀ ಅಳುಕದಿರು, ಮಳೆಯೋ ಬರಸಿಡಿಲೋ ನೀ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಿರು. ಆ ಆ ಆ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಎಂಬ ಕನ್ನಡಿಯು ಒಡೆದು ಹೋಗಬಾರದು, ಬಾಳುವೊಂದು ಗೋಳು ಅಂತ ಓಡಿ ಹೋಗಬಾರದು. ಯಾರಿಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ನೋವಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರಿಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾವಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಲ ಕಳೆದ ಹಾಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಯವಾಗುವಂಥದು. ಉಳಿಪೆಟ್ಟು ಬೀಳುವ ಕಲ್ಲೇ ಶಿಲೆಯಾಗಿ ನಿಲ್ಲುವುದು, ದಿನ ನೋವ ನುಂಗುವ ಜೀವವೇ ನೆಲೆಯಾಗಿ ನಿಲ್ಲುವುದು. ಯಾರಿಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲೆದಾಟ, ಯಾರಿಗಿಲ್ಲ ಪರದಾಟ, ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರತಿ ಕನಸು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನಸಾಗೋ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಾಲವು ಮುಂದೆ ಇದೆ. ಮನವೇ ಓ ಮನವೇ ನೀ ಕುಗ್ಗದಿರು, ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಬಯಲಿರಲಿ ನೀ ನುಗ್ಗುತ್ತಿರು. ಅರಳುವ ಹೂವುಗಳೇ ಆಲಿಸಿರಿ, ಬಾಳೊಂದು ಹೋರಾಟ ಮರೆಯದಿರಿ. ನೋವು ನಲಿವು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬಾಳ ರೈಲು ಕಂಬಿಗಳು, ನಡುವೆ ನಮ್ಮದೀ ಪಯಣ ನಗುತ್ತ ಸಾಗು ಹಗಲಿರಳು. ಏನೇ ಬರಲಿ ಬಾಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಧ್ಯೇಯ ಒಂದು ಜೊತೆ ಇರಲಿ, ಏಳು ಬೀಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ದಾಟಿ ಏಳುತ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವುಗಳು. ಅವಮಾನ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗುಂಟು ಈ ಲೋಕದ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಎಂದು ಒಂದೇ ಈ ದೇವರ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಾಳಿಗೊಂದು ಅರ್ಥವಿದೆ, ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಗೊಂದು ದಾರಿ ಇದೆ, ನಿನ್ನ ಆತ್ಮಬಲ ನಿನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಇರಲು ಆಕಾಶವೇ ಅಂಗೈಲಿ. ಮನಸೇ ಓ ಮನವೇ ನೀ ಬದಲಾಗು, ಏನೇ ಸಾಧನೆಗೂ ನೀ ಮೊದಲಾಗು, ಅರಳುವ ಹೂವುಗಳೇ ಆಲಿಸಿರಿ, ಬಾಳೊಂದು ಹೋರಾಟ ಮರೆಯದಿರಿ, ಬೆಳಗಿನ ಕಿರಣಗಳೇ ಬಣ್ಣಿಸಿರಿ, ഇരുളിಂದೆ ಬೆಳಕುಂಟು ತೋರಿಸಿರಿ, ನಾಳೆಯ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇರಲಿ ನಮ ಬಾಳಲಿ, ಗೆಲ್ಲುವ ಭರವಸೆಯೊಂದೇ ಬೆಳಕಾಗಲಿ, ಮನವೇ ಓ ಮನವೇ ನೀ ಅಳುಕದಿರು, ಮಳೆಯೋ ಬರಸಿಡಿಲೋ ನೀ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಿರು. So this is a song. So Kannada, who can understand Kannada will know the meaning of the song. So people who doesn't know Kannada, I have translated, I have tried translating. If there are any mistakes, please forgive me. And also in the songs, if there are any mistakes, please forgive me. So Araluva Hoovugale Alisari means, oh blossoming flowers, listen, don't forget that life is a struggle. And oh sun rays, oh morning sun rays, rays of morning in the sun, listen, don't forget that life is fighting, and show that there is light behind darkness. Always once the darkness is there, the light should come again. So we should not get depressed in the darkness. There is next light. Let there be belief in tomorrow. So tomorrow will be ours. Let fate to win be the light in your life. Let it be the guiding light that I will win tomorrow. Let it be the guiding light for everyone. Oh mind, don't be afraid. Whether it is rain or storm, continue your journey. And my mind is like a mirror which should not be broken. And don't think that life is a misery and run away. Who doesn't have misery on this earth? Who has not seen the death? As the time passes, the pain vanishes or reduces. When there is carving, the stone which gets maximum beatings will be the stone which will remain as a sculpture. So similar way, the life which faces pain always will remain as support for others and will be shining. Who doesn't have wandering? Who doesn't have difficulties? Each dream of us will become true in the future. Let us think each dream of me will become reality in the future. Let's believe in ourselves. Oh mind, don't get depressed. Whether it is mountain or land, don't stop your journey. Happiness and misery are like railway track, in which our life lies in the center, which sees both days and night. Whatever comes in life, let your dream be with you. So here a little bit I want to tell. So when we have a aim in our life, so whatever misery comes, we will think of the aim. I should reach that aim. So that gives the strength. So we should have an aim in our life. So that's what is told in the song also. Whatever comes in life, let your aim or dream be with you. We will cross all ups and downs and will get up one day. Now we might have been fallen, but one day we will get up. All these ups and downs, one day we will get up. Let us wait for that day. Everyone has misery in this world or avmana in this world. We all are equal, but we all are equal in eyes of God. People might scold us, or people talk behind us, but in the eyes of God, everyone are equal. So we should think about God. Life has a meaning, and each footstep has its way. So life has a meaning. It is a very valuable thing. Life is a valuable thing, valuable one. So each footstep has a way. When the power of your soul is with you, the sky is in your hands. When you believe in yourself, and in Kannada it is called as Atma Bala. When you have that Atma Bala, the sky is the limit. Oh mind, please change. You be the first for whatever achievement. So this is the meaning of the song. Personality development, I have told that for students who join, whether it is school students or college students who join BGKV VRS Coaching Institute, will be given free personality development training. So I made this video. That might be in a different way depending on the requirement of each individual. So in coming days, I'll be loading more videos on personality development. Classes I have not decided yet, but for video's sake, I will do personality development videos also in coming days. Only songs I have been uploading. So in coming days you can see more of instruments, teachers videos, and all more about MBGK VRS Coaching Institute. Thank you.